Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To sound like a cartoon character on Voicemod, select a voice preset that mimics high-pitched, exaggerated tones often found in cartoons. Navigate to the Voice Box tab and choose presets like Chipmunk or Anime Girl. You can further customize these settings using the pitch, modulation, and effect sliders to achieve the perfect cartoonish voice. For a truly unique sound, mix different effects and adjust the intensity levels to match your desired character voice.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.